We recommend that you do not do this naked. It is important that you wear all your clothes while you are welding. Joe is a skilled professional, makes it look easy. What do y'all think? Is he doing good, ladies and gentlemen? He's got that thing laying in there. So you make that look easy, brother.
You got more years than me, but I got a little over a dub on doing it.
That's right.
I got 20 years. I think I can make a skeleton, a scorpion tail come off of it.
Now, friends at home, as this slag is peeling, look at that, Joe.
Woo, that's pretty,
mean,
y'all. I don't know about y'all. That's a nice one.
So we're coming up. Yeah, we know. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, with a battery-powered ESAB bolt welder.
Now, I must say this. It really felt like I was dealing with a 420, 480 machine. Like, the power, like, it felt like I was getting, like, some...
Yeah,
it didn't feel like it was no battery, y'all. I'm going to be honest with you. Like, I put a nice... That's a nice construction wheel.
No spatter.
See that, though? Clean, clean, clean. Now, if you're doing... Now, to me, this would be a good one. So if you in a construction field and you're doing, you putting on plates for, if y'all doing like building construction, if you in some type of scissor lift or man lift, that'll be a good,
absolutely,
that'll be a good welder, because majority of the times when we putting them clips in, you just putting in 1 inch or 2 inch welds on both sides. Inch here, inch here, inch here, inch here, and someone else gonna come back and full weld it off. So you could actually go down and get everybody prepared to fitter and let the person come back with the big machine and knock it out. You could do more moving around faster.
Absolutely.
So it's a quicker move around. I like it, fam. I like it.
Did it surprise you that you're running off the batteries?
I mean, I was surprised that it was burning that hot and that consistent. Did y'all see how consistent it was? It wasn't popping or act like it was about to go dead or go out.
And here's the power cord. I mean, we wasn't cheating you.
So what was we running then? Was we running 110 or was we running?
We running only battery.
Battery only.
Only battery.
Battery only.
Yep.
Oh, and you got a cord.
Yep. I'm telling you.
It's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer. You got a cord and a battery. Come on now.
Hey, they got two.
So that means if your batteries ain't working, you ain't got to panic. All you got to do is just grab your cord and you can keep going. So you can put this in the garage then.
Yes, sir.
You can work on your vehicles. You can
take it to the racetrack.
Hey, this all the way around.
It is. It's wonderful.
Oh man, so tell me, do they have these in that does like a wire process, or is it only stick right now?
Right now, it's only stick that I'm aware of. I can't.
Okay, so right now it's only stick. So for those who are doing field welding or welding on the farm, majority of the time we're gonna be using 7018. That rod is God outside. This will be a great picker-up unit. Like, I honestly, like, it's lightweight, it's affordable, and literally it's like heavy duty. So you're gonna get your money's worth out of it.
Pick that thing up and tell me. That's not heavy.
Oh no, this is easy money. This hurt. This light, this J over here. J ain't no bigger than that. She ain't no bigger than this. Yeah,
that's great.
Yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Yeah, this is nice.
It is crazy.